Consistency, the key to success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in the English language that holds a powerful lesson for all of us. Consistency pays off. Understanding this phrase not only helps you with your English language learning but also teaches a valuable life principle. So, let's dive in and discover why consistency is so crucial and how it can truly pay off. Consistency pays off is an idiomatic expression that suggests regular and steady efforts in doing something will eventually lead to success. It emphasizes the importance of being persistent and maintaining a stable approach over time rather than seeking quick fixes or shortcuts. Key components. Consistency. This means doing something the same way over time, adhering to the same principles, patterns, or levels of effort. Pays off. A figurative expression meaning to result in success or benefits. To further understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Learning a new language. Just like you're doing right now with English. Learning a little every day, consistently, will improve your skills more than cramming a lot of information sporadically. 2. Physical fitness. Regular exercise, even if it's just a small amount daily, is more effective for health and fitness than intense workouts done irregularly. 3. Career goals. Steadily working towards your career objectives, learning new skills, and networking can lead to promotions and success in the long run. Consistency is powerful because it builds habits, trust, and measurable progress. It allows for adjustment and improvement over time, leading to growth and achievement. By being consistent, you're also more likely to stay motivated and avoid the discouragement that comes from not seeing immediate results. Remember, consistency pays off is not just about language learning but a principle that applies to many aspects of life. Whether it's achieving personal goals, improving skills, or building relationships, consistency is key. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the value of consistent efforts. Keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and you'll see how it truly pays off. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.